So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your HOTCROSS tokens on KuCoin exchange. Okay, so recently KuCoin announced the HOTCROSS token staking on KuCoin, and you can earn up to 45% APY on HOTCROSS token, which is not available on any crypto exchange in the world. So KuCoin is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world to buy altcoins. Okay, so if you don't have account on KuCoin, just click the link in the description. Okay, I have given the link in the description. Okay, so if you click the link in the description, you will see this interface. Okay, so here you can actually just click on sign up, enter your email, and you can actually sign up and claim your $500 welcome bonus. Okay, so just click on sign up and enter your email, and click on send code and just sign up. Okay, so make sure to create an account through my link to claim your $500 welcome bonus. Okay, so after creating account, just open your KuCoin app. Okay, you will see this interface. Okay, you will see this interface, and here you can see all the different features of KuCoin exchange. Okay, so here you can see all the different features, but we have to click on earn option. Here you can see the earn option. So here just click on earn option, and here you can see all the tokens, coins that are available on KuCoin exchange, which you can stake and earn passive income. Okay, so here there are different tokens, but here are also 4 sections. Okay, here are also 4 sections. First is heart, second one is saving, third one is staking, fourth one is promotions. Okay, so just click on promotions button, and here you can see all the different coins that you can stake in limited time. Okay, so here you can actually stake your tokens for a limited time, but here you can see the 2 options. First one is flexible, second one is fixed. So in order to stake your HOTCROSS token, just click on fixed. Okay, so after you click on fixed, you can see that number 1 token is HOTCROSS. Okay, here you can see the HOTCROSS token, which is staking is in progress, and you can stake your HOTCROSS tokens for 90 days, and you can earn almost 45.6% APY, which is not available on any crypto exchanges in the world. So here you can see that staking period is 90 days. Okay, so you can stake your HOTCROSS token within 5 days and 21 minutes. So it is first come first serve. After here you can see that these tokens are currently staked. About 7,52,000 tokens HOTCROSS are staked. The limit is 2 million HOTCROSS tokens. Okay, so when the limit is finished, you cannot stake your HOTCROSS token. So that's why I am saying that make sure to stake your HOTCROSS token as soon as possible. Okay, so here just click on here. Okay, so here you can see all the details, and here you can actually stake your HOTCROSS tokens. Okay, so here you can see that if you stake today, your staking time start today. Okay, so the reward will be given on 18. Okay, so here you can see that here you can actually enter your amount. Here you can see the minimum amount you can stake is 200 HOTCROSS tokens. So the minimum tokens that you can stake is 200. Make sure to stake more than 200 tokens. So here just click on here, enter your tokens. So let's say I stake 10,000 HOTCROSS tokens. So here you can see that if I stake 10,000 HOTCROSS tokens, so I will earn almost 12.3 HOTCROSS tokens per day, which is insane, which is very good profit you can generate to stake HOTCROSS tokens. So the maximum tokens that you can stake is 2 lakh. Okay, 200,000 tokens, the maximum limit you can stake. Okay, so here just enter your amount, and here just click on agree terms and conditions. Okay, so just click on here and just click on participate now, and your tokens will be staked right now. Okay, and enjoy maximum profit. So if you don't have account on KuCoin exchange, I have given the link in the description. Okay, so that's all in this video, that how you can stake your HOTCROSS tokens. So make sure to stake your tokens as soon as possible before the limits finished. Okay, So that's all in this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to create your account on KuCoin. Thank you.